Namaste. Good morning, my dear children. Welcome back to our maths class. In this chapter, we discussed about multiplication of our numbers, 2-digit or 3-digit numbers. Okay, I hope all of you understand it very well and all of you learn about our multiplication table very well. Then today we discuss the last problem of our this chapter. Okay. Are you ready? Yes. Mary's UP School. In the school, 201 students were studying in the first standard. 14 students less than the first standard is in the second standard. 186 students in the third standard, and in the fourth standard, 18 students more than the number of students in the third standard. 195 students study in the fifth standard. Which class has the most students? Find the total number of students in the LP section. Let us write this in a table. This is a lengthy question. Don't worry, it is a simple question. First, you read it very well and understand what things are given. Okay, based on the given data, we form a table like this. First one, class. Then second one, number of students. Number of students. In the first line, given that in the first standard, 201 children study. Okay, what is given in the next? In the second standard, 14 students less than the first standard. In the second standard, 14 students less than the first standard. Okay, that is 187 students. What about in third standard? In third standard, the number of students is 186. What about fourth standard? In fourth standard, 195 students, 118 students more than the number of students in the third standard. 18 students more than in third standard, that is 204. Okay, last in fifth standard, 195 students. In fifth standard, 195 students. Okay, these things are right above based on the given information. In first standard, 201 children studying. In second standard, less than 14 students than in first standard. In third standard, 186 students studying. What about fourth standard? In fourth standard, 18 students more than studying in third standard. What about fifth standard? In fifth standard, 195 students are studying. Okay, so our table is completed. Then, what is the question? Find the total number of students in the LP section. That is LP section total number of students nammal kaananam. Okay, total number of students in the LP section. From this data, we can find out the total number of students. Okay, our first section is over. What about our second question? Among the 213 students in the 6th standard, 114 were girls. 7th standard has 19 students more than the 6th standard. Number of boys and girls are equal in 7th standard. 8th standard has 37 students less than the 7th standard. There are 105 in the boys in the 8th standard. Who are more in UP section, boys or girls, by how much? Like this, you can we can create or we can draw another table like this. In that table we include girls, boys, class, girls, boys, first class one, yes, class, then next one boys, then girls, total student. What about 6th standard? 6th standard. In 6th standard, 213 students are there. Okay. In that, 114 is girls. This thing is also given. What about boys? Yes, subtracting this from this. That is 213 minus 114. Then, what is the answer? 99. Okay, 99 boys, 114 girls, and total is 230. What about 7th standard? In 7th standard, 19 students more than the 6th standard. 19 students more than the 6th standard. Okay, our total students how much? Add 2, 1, 3, 2. 232 total students in 7th. Okay, 7th, 232 students in total strength. In that, the number of girls and boys are equal. അതിൽ എന്താണ് നമ്പർ ഓഫ് ബോയ്സും ഗേൾസും ഈക്വൽ ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഇതിൻ്റെ എന്ത് കാണണം? പകുതി കാണണം. ഓക്കെ, ഇതിൻ്റെ പകുതി കാണണം. ഏതൊക്കെ നമ്പേഴ്സ് തമ്മിൽ കൂട്ടിയാലാണ് ഇത് കിട്ടുകയെന്നല്ലേ? 232 കിട്ടണമെങ്കിൽ ഏതൊക്കെ നമ്പേഴ്സ് ആഡ് ചെയ്യണം? അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്കത് സാധാരണ ഡിവിഷനൊക്കെയാണ് ഉപയോഗിക്കുക. അപ്പോൾ അതിൻ്റെ ഒന്നും ആവശ്യമില്ല. സപ്പോസ് 116ഉം 116ഉം കൂടെ ആഡ് ചെയ്താലാണ് എന്ത് കിട്ടുന്നത്? 232. അപ്പോൾ നമ്പർ ഓഫ് ബോയ്സും ഗേൾസും എത്രയാണ്? 116 ആണ്. ഓക്കെ, ഇത് തൽക്കാലം ഇത്ര മനസ്സിലാക്കി വെച്ചാൽ മതി. ഹാഫ് കാണാൻ നമ്മൾ സാധാരണ 2 കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാണ് ചെയ്യാം. ബട്ട് ഹിയർ the division is not clear for you, so I take this way. Okay, so 7th standard is over. What about our 8th standard? In 8th standard, 37 students less than the 7th standard. 7th സ്റ്റാൻഡേർഡിനേക്കാളും എത്ര സ്റ്റുഡൻസ് കുറവാണ്? 37 സ്റ്റുഡൻസ് കുറവാണ്. അങ്ങനെ അത് കാണാം. Then, how many boys in 8th standard? There are 105 boys in 8th standard. ടോട്ടലും കിട്ടിക്കഴിഞ്ഞു. ബോയ്സിൻ്റെ എണ്ണം കിട്ടിയാൽ നമ്മൾ എങ്ങനെയാണ് ഗേൾസിൻ്റെ എണ്ണം കാണാം? ഇതിൽ നിന്ന് ഇത് നമ്മൾ സബ്സ്ട്രാക്ട് ചെയ്യും. ഓക്കെ, ഡോണ്ട് വറി, ദിസ് ഇസ് നോട്ട് കോംപ്ലിക്കേറ്റഡ് പ്രോബ്ലം. ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് വെരി സിമ്പിൾ, ബട്ട് ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് വെരി ലെങ്തി. ഓക്കെ, ദാറ്റ്സ് നോ പ്രോബ്ലം. You just read every line of the question and understand that meaning. Okay, then you complete this table also. If you any doubt, please call me. See you in our next class.